How to fix Huawei Mate 70 cannot receive calls. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn off your do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and updates and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, reinsert your SIM card. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.